everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Share. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Guys, we're talking about Uthando Nesthembu. It's been very hectic between Mamkhulu and Mangwabe after Mamkhulu's children told her that they greeted Mangwabe and she didn't respond. Instead of Macele asking Mangwabe, she reported the matter to her husband Mseligu, who was unable to resolve it. When Mangwabe setshela uThobile the whole story, uMacele guys had a problem again. Ubuza ukuthi why engamqondi uMangwabe akhulume ngaye and her kids to other people. Mamkhulu tried to make things right for the sake of their children, but things didn't work out as Mseligu distanced himself ngento ehlangene nengxabano ephakathi kaMangwabe noMacele. But guys, it didn't end in tears. Everything ended well between Mangwabe and Macele as they were seen smiling and speaking to each other. Concerned Makhumalo couldn't hold herself. She jumped like a baby, and for that, social media crowned her as a very peaceful person in the Mseligu household who is trying her level best to unite the family. Someone even said she is the pillar of the Mselegus. Guys, if there is someone who knows the definition of how to mind your own business, it's Mayeni. She didn't bother herself with anything. She didn't ask anyone any questions. She was there to have fun with her husband and kids. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about today's episode. Bye.